has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Watertown, or 8 miles west of Carthage, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
They just were in the same areas. That makes no sense.
With gusts and quarter-size hail.
But who cares?
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Gordonsville, Hickman, and South Carthage. For your protection, move to
They're gonna put EAS over eye on in just a minute.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Watertown, or 8 miles west of Carthage, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carthage, Gordonsville, Hickman, and South Carthage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.